Following on from perpendicular lines 1, I'm just going to ask you to work out the gradient of the line that is perpendicular to each of these gradients. So the first one is 5/6, so I need to find out what would be the perpendicular gradient to that. -2/7, 4, and -3. So if you press pause and have a go at those. So working through those, 5/6, we take the reciprocal, 6/5, and make it negative. It was positive, so negative. If you multiply those two out, you should get the answer of -1. And -2/7, well, the reciprocal of that is 7/2 with a negative in front, but because it was negative to start with, we want to take the negative of that, which is positive 7/2. And 4, you could think about 4 as being 4/1. Reciprocal of 4 is 1/4. This one's positive, so this one needs to be negative. And the last one, reciprocal of 3 is 1/3. It was negative to start with, but we need to take the negative of the negative, which is positive. So there we have the various gradients. So here we have a classic question. You're given the line y equals half x minus 3, goes through the point 8, 1. And you might be asked, find the line that is perpendicular to y equals half x minus 3. So we already know that the gradient here is a half. That means the gradient that would be perpendicular would be -2. We also know that it goes through the point A at 8, 1. We're going to use our y equals mx plus c skills now. So we've got y 8. So, sorry, y is 1, clearly. M is -2. X is 8, but we don't know what c is at present. But working this out gives us 1 equals -16 plus c, which implies that c is 17. So the equation of the line perpendicular to y equals half x minus 3 is y equals -2x plus 17. Now this skill is used a heck of a lot when you do differentiation and finding out normals to tangents. And now it's your turn. So you're given the line y equals -2/5 x plus 3, which goes through the point 10, -1. Find the line that's perpendicular to the initial line, which also goes through 10, -1. Let's see how you get on with that one. Press pause. How did you get on? Well, initially you know that the first gradient is -2/5. So the perpendicular gradient must be 5/2. So we're using y equals mx plus c. We've already got the x and y coordinates here, so we've got -1 equals the gradient, which is 5/2, times by x, which is 10, plus c. So -1 equals 25 plus c, so c must equal -26, giving us an equation of the line y, and we know m2 is 5/2, x, take 26. That line is perpendicular to y equals -2/5 x plus 3, going through the point 10, -1.